Good day, mom and sir. My name is Vicky Baruela, 26 years old, single, mother of two, age of 8 and 6, graduated last year, 2024. I work with Miss Juanita Madriaga. There were two in their house, one kid and one adult. I do the cleaning, washing, cooking, marketing, and taking care of kids. I have experience in childcare with my children. I feed, bath, and change their diaper and clothes, and ensure they're comfortable and safe. I also administer medicine and play with them. I choose to work in Hong Kong for higher salary, and I aim to help my husband for my children education. I am hardworking, potential, and honest person. To my future employer, thank you for considering me. I promise to take care of your family and finish my contract. Uh, where is daddy? Where is daddy? Here I am. Here I